Hey YouTube, it's Hops Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. Very excited to open the second product of the 2021 season. And today's video I'm going to be opening the O-Pee-Chee regular version hobby box. Very excited to open new products on release day. So today I'll be opening this box for you guys, and hopefully we can hit something good. Alright, so this is another big hobby box. 2 weeks ago I opened Upper Deck MVP, which you can see. The video is gonna be in the description. So Leon Draisaitl is on the cover of the O-Pee-Chee. There's 10 cards per pack and 18 packs per box. Okay, so as usual, you can see the kind of booklet to see what's upcoming. Very nice. Chronology Volume 2. I will definitely try to get my hands on a box. Alright, here we go. Let's not waste time. Just a quick reminder, you guys have 2 more weeks to participate in the O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hobby Box giveaway. So make sure you check the link in the description and enter so you guys don't miss your chance at a hobby box. Alright, so I'm going to use the scissors again because I think I just sliced some cards. Yeah. As you can see, I bent a card, but whatever. So this is the base cards. Very simple, very good looking. O-Pee-Chee is always kind of just regular cardboard cards. Alright. Mika Zibanejad, I believe it's a retro or something like that. Or just whatever. Retro. And we have a Gordie Howe, Marquee Legends. Maybe gold version? I have no idea. Ryan Pollock, Jordan Bennington, TJ Bordy, and the rest is base. So we are looking for the draft pick, 9-card #1 draft pick puzzle bounty to get the exclusive card you can get. So let's see what we can find. Alright, base card, Ben Bishop, Jeff Skinner, Nate Thompson, Ilya Kovalchuk, and we have a Jacob Markstrom blue. Parallel, we have Nick Holden, Vincent Trocheck, Kyle Palmieri, I believe red, and oh yes, let's go. So it's a puzzle, actually, it's a puzzle that you redeem, and hopefully we get the Alexis Lafreniere card. I guess the card, you get it, you redeem it, and you get the card. So far so good. I would really like to see what Habs rookies we get in this. So we have a Radim Simek. I think it's a rookie. No idea. It doesn't say. We have a team checklist of the Florida Panthers. This is good to sign for when you meet the players and you don't have any cards of a certain player. You can get this signed. Alright, 3rd pack or 4th pack, yeah. Here we go. Zach Werenski, Kerfoot, Malkin, Anderson, Howard, Peter Mrazek, and we have a Martin Kaut, Marquee rookie. Rob Hainsey, Checklist, and Pekarine. Alright. I believe that Jake Evans is one of the rookies for the Montreal Canadiens, so I would definitely would love to get this card. So new Montreal Canadiens, Jake Allen, very nice, congrats. And Gabe Vilardi, O-Pee-Chee Premier. Have no idea what these cards are called, but it's just a nice rookie. We have Mackenzie Blackwood and Noah Hannafin blue parallel, and we have a Marquee Legends black border of Teemu Selänne. Yeah, and it's numbered out of 100. Very nice. Very, very cool. And the rest is base. Alright, so first pile almost done. Here we go. Jacob Chitrin, Couturier, Lindholm, Kyle Connor, Joel Eriksson Ek, and we have a Gabe Vilardi Marquee rookie with the LA Kings. My brother is a big LA Kings fan. Oh, nice. Taylor Hall player card. Oh, nice. Really like those this year. They're pretty solid. Not numbered. So we have back-to-back Taylor Hall cards. And the rest is base. Igor Shesterkin, last year's rookie. Alright, let's go. Second pile. Roman Josi, Getzlav, D'Angelo, Nicholas Backstrom, Premier card, Eric Gustafson, and a Ryan Strome, blue border. Are these numbered? They are not numbered. Rest is base. Alright, let's continue. Braden Point, red hot, this guy in the playoffs. Anthony Cirelli, we have Artemi Panarin, O-Pee-Chee Platinum. I believe this is how O-Pee-Chee Platinum is going to look like this year. I'm not sure. So, do we have anything? Jonas Johansson, Marquee rookie. Team checklist for Pittsburgh. And the rest is base. Here we go. Jake Mudzin, Colton Sceviour, Tarasenko, Monahan, Eric Johnson. We have a nice king of I don't know, of Leon Draisaitl. Very nice. And Mark Messier, Marquee Legends. We're gonna see if they are numbered. So these ones are not numbered. No, regulars. Alright, let's go. Dustin Brown, we have Eichel, Samsonov, Acciari. So another Marquee Legends. This one, is it numbered? It is not numbered also. Blue parallel. We have a black border of Riley Smith, numbered 77 out of 100. And Semyon Varlamov, just a base. And the rest is base. There's some amazing products coming very soon, like Trilogy, Artifact, Series 1, Clear Cut. So hopefully I'm going to be able to get my hands on some boxes like this. We have a All-Star of Mitch Marner. We have a 10 of Hearts of Artemi Panarin. Very cool. Oh, yes, sir. We have a nice League Leaders of Quinn Hughes, rookie. With 53 points. Nick Suzuki is 6th with 41. Not bad, not bad. And the rest is base. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna get my hands on some clear-cut Trilogy boxes, hopefully. Jonathan Drouin, Beaulieu, Clutterbuck, Nikita Gusev. We have a Jason Robertson marquee rookie. And the rest is base. Final pile, guys. I believe we have like 4 or 5 packs left. Don't think we're gonna finish the puzzle. Alright, Ryan Murray, Ryan Graves, Andre Palat, Ricard Raquel, Brad Marchand, Tyler Myers, and Cam Neely. Marquee Legends. Dylan DeMello, Alexandre Texier, and Esa Lindell. Alright, here we go. 5 packs. Come on, let's go get something. Wow. Alright, Justin Williams. We have Max Pacioretty, Devin Shore, Jonas Donskoy, Elvis Merzlinkins, Evgeny Malkin, blue border, Michael Matheson, red. Or I guess it depends on whatever team they are, they just change the colors. Alright, Derek Forbort, base, premiere of Brent Burns, Matthias Ekholm, checklist of the Avalanche, Shaw, Brossois, and Francouz. Alright guys, 3 packs left. We can still hit something good. Mackenzie Blackwood, Timo Meyer, Philip Cheadle, Radim Simek, Nazem Kadri, and Ivan Barbashev, red border. Not numbered. And a Alexander Barkov player card. And oh, nice. This one is good. Kiefer Bellows. This one is a good player to get. I think he's playing in the playoffs, I'm not sure. So, very good guy. Alright, 2 packs left. Here we go. Eric Gustafsson, Steen, Lindholm, Eller, Ekholm, Timo Meyer. You have TJ Oshie, Cody Eakin, Tomasz Tatar, and Alex Chiasson. Here we go guys, final pack. Let's go. Madison Bowie, Nico Hischier, Mitch Marner, Nick Schmaltz. League leaders of David Pasternak. We have a team checklist of the Chicago Blackhawks. And that's it for today's break. Shea Weber, Tkachuk, and Martin Jones with Jared McCann. Alright, at least we got this card for the #1 redemption, so hopefully we can do something about it. Or I guess it's 3 cards or something like that. I don't even know. Alright, don't forget to participate on the O-Pee-Chee Platinum contest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next week for a video. Peace.